Hello friends, today's lecture we are discussing another molecular important enzyme, that is a polymerase. That is another molecular important enzyme using in various molecular practices. So, the meaning is clarifying in your mind what is a polymerase. Poly means many, merase means adding of nucleotides. So, according to the name, it is clarified is that the polymerase means it is a adding of the many nucleotides. So, we know very well about the DNA. In the DNA, it made up of the four type of the different nucleotide. That is a adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. So, our enzyme polymerase that is act on this the template stand and it is synthesizing the complementary stand. Okay. So, the DNA polymerase it is synthesizing the four types of the nucleotide, that is adenine, thymine, guanine and the cytosine. Okay. It is reading the template stand and then synthesizing the complementary stand to the that strand. So, there are the history of the DNA polymerase. It is first isolated in the E. coli. The scientist Kornberg in the year of 1955. The scientist Kornberg, he was first isolated the polymerase in the E. coli in the year of the 1955. Okay. So we are studying the replication process. In the replication process, the polymerase enzymes carry the play and the important role for the synthesizing the complementary stand. Okay. So there are the types of polymerase. There are mainly four types of the DNA polymerase. That is the DNA polymerase first, DNA polymerase first, DNA polymerase second, DNA polymerase third, DNA polymerase fourth, DNA polymerase 5. There are the 5 types of the different DNA polymerase according to the prokaryotes. In this the prokaryotes, there are the 4 types of the DNA polymerase carry the work of the replication process. Okay. So in the eukaryotes, there are also different types of the DNA polymerase, that is alpha, gamma, delta, epsilon. There are the different types of the DNA polymerase reference to the eukaryotics. There are the prokaryotic DNA polymerase are the different, eukaryotic DNA polymerase are the different. So we are discussing about the prokaryotic DNA polymerase. There are the prokaryotics. There are the 5 different type of the DNA polymerase that carry the work is the different manner. Especially the DNA polymerase first in the prokaryotic, it is working as the 5 to the 3' and the 3 to the 5' exonuclease activity. 3 to 5 and 5 to 3' exonuclease activity. So it is also play the important role in the damage repair synthesis. Okay, we know about the in the DNA. We are already discussed in the DNA replication process. In the one strand it is synthesizing in the regular manner, and the another strand it is synthesizing in a regulation manner, that is the formation of the Okazaki fragments. These the Okazaki fragments are the synthesizing by the DNA polymerase first. Okay, DNA polymerase first, it is the synthesizing the Okazaki fragment. We are before lecture of the ligase enzyme, we are studying the formation of the Okazaki fragment. It is a sealing by the enzyme ligase, and these the Okazaki fragments are the synthesized by the enzyme DNA polymerase first. Okay, the DNA polymerase first, it is first isolated in a E. coli. Okay, the DNA polymerase second, it is carrying out the 3 to 5' exonuclease activity. It is not a main important enzyme related to the replication process. It is also co-helping enzyme, so it is a carry out the 3 to 5' exonuclease activity, and it is a proofreading also activity. So the DNA polymerase third, it is an important enzyme to synthesizing the nucleotides into the 3 to 5, 5 to 3' exonuclease activity. It is also carry out the proofreading activity. The DNA polymerase force, it is also act as a DNA damage repair. Okay, DNA polymerase fifth, it is important role in the SOS repair. Okay, damage repair, SOS repairs, mainly DNA polymerase fifth enzyme, it is using in a SOS repair. So small summary of this, the prokaryotic DNA polymerase is that the DNA polymerase first and the DNA polymerase third, it is carry the play and the important role in synthesizing the nucleotides, DNA damage and the repair and the proofreading function. Another enzyme also carry the co-helping work. Okay, it is a small introduction of that the prokaryotic polymerase. Okay, so these are the eukaryotic polymerase are the different alpha polymerase, gamma polymerase, delta polymerase, epsilon polymerase, that is also carry out the DNA repair, DNA damage, proofreading and the polymerase activity. Okay, our next point related to the polymerase is that applications. So it is naturally play and the important role in the DNA replication process. Okay, we know about the replication. In this the replication, the polymerase activities play and the important role in the synthesis of the complementary strand to the template strand. Okay, it is also carry the play and the important role in artificial synthesis of the polymerase chain reaction. Okay, we are our next units, we are detail studying the polymerase chain reaction, that is the PCR. So in this the PCR also carries the important role of this polymerase, but in the PCR we are using the polymerase are the different, in the general polymerase are the different, especially in this the PCR the polymerase are the heat resistable, but in this our normal PCR, normal DNA replication process, the polymerase enzyme, it is a heat sensitive. Okay, so it is using in a cloning process also, so it is using in a artificially synthesizing the template stand also. So it is there are the application of this the enzyme we are using in a molecular laboratory practices. Okay, these are the introduction about that the what is a polymerase. The next is a RNA polymerase. So RNA polymerase, it is especially present in this the bacteria. We are know the term about the reverse transcriptase. It is a using the, but it is a different panel work, that is a DNA polymerase, it is act on DNA, but is the RNA polymerase, it is a work is a different, because the RNA polymerase using a template as a DNA and the synthesizing the RNA. तर DNA मध्ये काय होतं, DNA polymerase मध्ये काय होतं, त्याच्यामध्ये जे आहे DNA it is act as a template, but it is a RNA polymerase, DNA is act as a template but it's synthesizing the RNA. Okay, but in the DNA polymerase, that is a RNA, it is act as a primer, but in the DNA polymerase, it is a DNA, it is act as a primer. So it is carrying the reverse transcriptase activity. It is using the DNA as a template and the synthesizing the RNA. Reverse transcriptase, it is synthesizing the RNA to DNA. That the enzyme reverse transcriptase, it is work on the RNA, it is synthesizing the DNA. Okay, so in our next units there are the genomic library, there are the reverse transcriptase enzyme, we are already detailed discussions. Okay, so it is a types of the polymerase, that is a DNA polymerase, eukaryotic DNA polymerase, prokaryotic DNA polymerase, and the RNA polymerase. So it is carry the play an important role in the related to the molecular laboratory practices. Okay, thank you for watching this video.